Example number 5. In the adjoining figure, ABC is a triangle, right angled at vertex A. So you can see this is a right angle here. And AD is an altitude. You can see this is a perpendicular on BC from A. Prove that triangle ABD is similar to CAD. ABD is similar to CAD. These two triangles are similar. Also, they have given a BD is 3.6, BD is 3.6, this one, and CD is 6.4. Find the length of AD we have to find. So we'll do that later on. First, let's prove the two triangles are similar, which is the one ABD. So right here in triangle ABD and triangle CAD. ABD, see in the two triangles, let's see here before we move on. Okay, in both the two triangles, one thing that we can see is 90-90 here. So we will write that first. Angle ADB is equal to angle ADC, right? Why are they equal? Because those both are perpendicular, so 90 degree. In fact, it's a perpendicular line, so 90 degree, and which is given to you. Now, if I prove one more angle equal, then they are equal. Done. So now let's see. It's difficult to find in a sense like we do not know the angle is not given here. So what I can do is I can assume this angle as x. Let this angle be x. So how much will this angle be? Total is 90. So will it not be 90 minus x? So this angle will be how much? 90 minus x. Now coming to this one here. In the triangle ADB, this triangle, if this is x, this is 90, how much will this be? Using angle sum property, it will be what? X plus 90 and plus angle B should be equal to 180 degree. So angle B will be how much? Angle B will be equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree and minus x. So angle B is equal to 180 minus 90 is 90 degree and minus x. So will this become 90 minus x? Okay. Now coming to this one here, if this angle is 90 minus x, how much will this angle be? So do the same way. Okay, this will be 90 minus x is one of the angle here in the triangle. In the triangle ADC, this angle is 90 minus x, this is 90, so plus 90 and plus C, right? Plus angle C should be equal to how much? 180 degree, because angle sum property. Clear? So angle C here is equal to 90 and 90 is 180, will come the other side. Okay, it will become how much? 180, and it will come the other side, become minus only 80, right? And minus x will come the other side, become plus x here, right? So angle C is equal to how much? X. So we got this angle as x. Now we have all the three angles equal. Now there's don't need too much. I mean, just two angles were supposed to be done. Now we got here in the two triangle, we see that angle BAD is equal to angle ACD. And that those are equal to x. We just did it over here. Fine. So by AA, the triangle ABD is similar to triangle CAD. Is it done? So we have proved one part of it, and that's the first answer in it. Okay, right, this was the first question. We have done it here. Second is BD is 3.6. I'll mark it here. 3.6. The CD is 6.4. I did here 6.4. Now see, if the two triangles are similar, then the corresponding angles, corresponding sides must be proportional. So which are the corresponding sides? Let's see that. See the corresponding sides here. Okay, I'll write it here so that everything is visible to you. So this is the side we are taking because this is given to you. BD, and BD is opposite to which angle? Angle X. So right here BD upon Angle x is equal to this angle x. What is the side opposite to it? AD in this triangle. So it will be upon AD is equal to, now see, 6.4 is given. This is DC. And which is it? Which angle is it opposite to? It is opposite to 90 minus x. So 90 minus x is 6.4. So I can write here DC. And 90 minus x is where? Here. So opposite to that will be how much? Which angle in the triangle? Which side of the triangle? ABD triangle? It will be AD. So right here, AD. Clear? So we have taken corresponding sides, right, of the two triangle. Now we can, okay, I think we made one mistake here, because there will not be, give me 1 second. We have taken the smaller and this is bigger. Then we have to take smaller and then the bigger in that. Okay, we have taken bigger and smaller in the next case. So it will be opposite to 90 minus x is AD, right here, AD. And opposite to that 90 minus x is this one, it will be DC here. So what happens? We can see it becomes AD square is equal to BD into DC. AD square. So AD square is equal to, what is BD? BD is 3.6 and DC is 6.4. So AD square is equal to how much? 3.6. We can say 36 into 64, and this is 10 into 10, right? So AD will be equal to under root of the entire thing, 36 into 64 upon 10. So this is the entire root, right? 10 square. If you solve that further, it will be AD will be equal to 36 is 6 square, understood? And 64 is 8 square, and this is 10 square under root. We can separate that. It will become what? Under root of 6 square into under root of 8 square upon under root of 10 square. Square root for all of them. So you will get AD is equal to 6, okay, into 8, fine, so 8 6 are 48 upon 10, that is 4.8, and that's an answer here. So what is AD? AD here will be 4.8 centimeter. Clear? And that's an answer. AD is 4.8